model, 2021 Renault Master Movano Lwb Luton box. Low loader engine needs repair Euro 6 VAT Inc. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 132,000. MOT, the 31st of May 2026. Engine, 2299 cc 180 HP 6D temp, light duty, front wheel drive. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs underpowered. Timing chain is stretched, jumped, runs but is rattling really bad and popping really bad. Suspect jump timing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent.